Togotigara ime county ya Kisii ni gongo kumanyibuna eskuru ya maigelio y'obubundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic ni golit rero bakora omurubiri obukuliga ebyegwa ase aborokigwa asaborokigwa bange babegwesoke nabo igokorokia ebyegwa byabo okwana ase omurubiri y'umusubati Edina Kangwana nigo abolia aborokigwa bange gwesoke nabo igogutumika ebyegwa elyo kwegendereria.
Not share it, but if you put content there, it's a good song. I'll surely share it and I'll tell people to check out your page. Number 3, I want to talk about your network. I talked about your network, but what are your network? Who are you surrounding yourself with? When you meet people, when you meet a big man, if Ababu Namwamba was to come here, what are you going to tell Ababu Namwamba? Ababu, I want a selfie with you? Or you just give Ababu Namwamba your business card and tell Ababu, you know I can perform in an event where the president is there. Work on your network, and networks don't come to your home. You have to go out, like attending a platform like this one. Make sure you take contacts of people that you think align to your talent and align to what you are doing. And sometimes say, if the director for culture who is here, Ubino Nyambane, another day call and say, I'm coming to your office for a courtesy call. I mean, that's how you build on your network, make them work for you. Another point I wanted to say is learn to invest in developing your technical skills. If you feel that you're a good lighter, you feel that you can do filming, if you feel that you can be a good MC, I mean, it doesn't